Introducing the Meter, the first truly wireless meat thermometer by Action Labs.
Cooking meat is a lot like a water balloon fight. If you don't pay attention, be prepared to pay the consequences. This is Derek. He loves to cook, but let's face it, he's never going to be the next Iron Chef.
Wave goodbye to those days, because you finally have the Meter, a sleek wireless meat thermometer that keeps you up to date on your meat's cooking status by sending you notifications on your smartphone. Here's how it works.
Turn it on by taking it out of the charger. Open the app on your smartphone and choose the type of meat, the cut, and your target cooking result. Stick the meter into the meat. Push start on the app and begin the cooking process. Now you can enjoy your time away from the oven or grill because the meter is monitoring everything for you. It's too often that we're reminded of something cooking by that all too familiar smell that prompts us to question. Is something burning? And you know by that time it's already too late. But with the meter, you get a notification on your phone as soon as your meat has reached the correct internal temperature for your desired cook. If you are busy, the meter can send notifications to your friends. It'll make sure there is always someone that can tend to your meat's needs. It even has a built-in ambient temperature sensor so you know how hot it is around your meat. Did your smoker drop below 215 degrees Fahrenheit? The meter will notify you. Now you can add more fuel to the flame. The meter is your meat bodyguard. It watches your meat and its surroundings to make sure it's safe from under and overcooking. Using the patent-pending dual sensor system, the meter can estimate when your food will be ready, allowing you to manage your time and do the more important things. Unlike other meat thermometers, the meter is the only connected thermometer that has all of its electronics built inside the probe, eliminating the need for wired external devices. Its innovative design allows the meter's electronics to survive extreme heat and be completely wireless, with a range of up to 10 meters. No more tangled messes or having to constantly open up the oven or grill to poke and prod your meat with a quick read thermometer. Now that just sounds painful. With the meter, once your food is in the oven, there is no need to check it until it's ready. The meter's probe has no buttons, LEDs, or openings allowing it to be waterproof. You can easily and thoroughly clean it without the fear of breaking it. If you need the extra range, you can use the meter block. It will give you unlimited wireless range capability and charge up to 4 meters at once. For nearly a year, the technology and prototype have been proven through careful development, extensive testing, and of course, eating.
Pre-order your meter today and get it before it hits the stores.
Have you ever wanted to copy a 3D object without spending hours with a caliper and a CAD program, but you had to choose between buying a 3D scanner and your monthly car payment? We're introducing the first 3D laser scanner with a price point under $100. Our scanner has the same or better specifications as currently available scanners, costing up to 7 times more, is simple to operate, and has a wide range of options. How did we manage to design a machine with these specifications yet at a far lower price? We based our design around the BQ Ciclop, an open source laser scanner. After lots of experimentation, we settled upon hardware and electronics that would provide the same scan quality but at a fraction of the price. Then, instead of using ugly and unwieldy threaded rod, we fused sleek laser-cut acrylic with plastic parts that the user can fabricate themselves on their own 3D printer. We redesigned our parts specifically with ease of printing in mind to use a fraction of the time and material of the original Ciclop. Further, we immensely reduced the minimum footprint for the parts in order to print on even the smallest of printers. To scan, simply set any object on the ample 200mm acrylic turntable and click the Start button. 2 red line lasers flash on the object that is being scanned, and as the turntable slowly makes a complete revolution, the 720p camera detects the location of each of the laser lines, storing those locations as points in 3D space. After the scan is complete, a cloud of points is generated that replicates the surface of the object. That point cloud can be used standalone or easily converted in a free program like MeshLab or Cloud Compare to reproduce on a 3D printer or keep as a CAD file to add to a drawing or assembly and save you the time of creating the part from scratch. So what's stopping you from adding a great piece of technology to your lab, workshop, kitchen table, or wherever you like to tinker and design? We've made sure that it isn't the price or performance. As 3D printing enthusiasts, we wanted to design a scanner that had excellent functionality, but was modestly priced and born out of the DIY spirit. We grew up together in a small agricultural community in Montana and have always been interested in technology and innovation. Armed with the experience from a successful Kickstarter in 2015, an engineering degree from Harvard, and the real-world application skills that come from living on a farm, our goal is nearly complete. Now, we just need you to help us realize our goal of expanding this growing technology and making 3D scanning incredibly affordable to anyone who owns a 3D printer by supporting our campaign. Thank you.
And you feel compelled to talk about it.
And thing sucks!
It is my sad duty to report to you that Robin Williams has passed away.
Oh, oh my God! Look!
Mood light is a window to the emotional state of the world. Both minor and major events make it to Twitter before even the major news stations have any idea what happened. With this tool, you'll have a new way to stay connected and watch for both minor and major world events. By monitoring Twitter for hundreds of keywords in several languages in real time, the mood lighting servers can deliver up-to-date information to the lamps. For example, let's say, I don't know, same-sex marriage is legalized in all 50 states of America. There is a lot of love and joy on a historic day like that. Or what if a beloved celebrity or innovator or athlete dies? The public would be flooded with sadness and probably surprise. Or what if Justin Bieber beats the shit out of some paparazzi? It's also possible to integrate your mood light with If This Then That, or IFT for short, an online notification service that ties to over 180 websites like Facebook, Gmail, Dropbox, you name it. For example, I have it set up so that when any pledges come in from my backers, I get a cute little green notification. It's just watching for the right text of emails. Please, Kickstarter, help bring mood light into homes across the world.
Electricity generated by hydropower, hydroelectricity. The conversion of sunlight into electricity, solar power. The extraction of electrical power from airflow, wind power. All these methods are eco-friendly. Now meet Jiffy, a small, stylish wearable device that fits in your pocket. This is the device that will save all your other devices when they run out of juice, and there's no power outlets in sight. It's very easy to use Jiffy. All you have to do is rotate, and through a USB cable, let it charge your other devices. With Jiffy, you're completely independent of any power supply, electric network, or wall socket. Jiffy is an eco-friendly charger that has a priceless advantage, which is the fact it doesn't need any special conditions to work. It is perfect when traveling absolutely anywhere. From the woods, to the desert, and to the jungle. It's the perfect solution in emergencies, like unexpected blackouts. Your batteries will be assured by Jiffy. Thank you for supporting us and believing in our project. Jiffy, the charger that keeps on giving.
Hello, my name is Mikhail, I come from America, and I'm one of the co-founders of this new company. As the co-founder of this program, I would like to introduce to you a super robot, AiJia.
Dear Master, my name is AiJia. Welcome to use standalone intelligent equipment.
AiJia.
Dear Master, is there anything I can do for you?
Good morning.
Good morning, Master.
How old are you?
Dear Master, I am 3 years old.
Where are you from?
Dear Master, I am from a mysterious planet.
Did you eat?
Dear Master, I am charged with electricity instead of dishes.
I love you.
Dear Master, I like you very much too.
Hey baby, it's Daddy. AiJia.
Dear Master, is there anything I can do for you?
Come here. What is this?
Dear Master, it is a pen.
You're so wonderful.
Dear Master, thanks for your compliment. I will keep on going.
We want AiJia to be a part of your family, to help your family and improve your family. We also need this help to help further our research and development to make AiJia the best product to your family and help your family. Give it more features such as 2 arms and just make you happy. Thank you.
Introducing the Matrix. Powerful and beautifully designed. 15 sensors in one little device. An amazing platform to build endless IoT applications.
First you had the internet, then you had mobile, and now it's Internet of Things. It's the most important revolution in technology. Anything in the physical environment can be connected to the online grid. Now, how do you do that in a way that is really intuitive? What the smartphone did for mobile, Matrix would do for Internet of Things. It's really simple to be part of this revolution. You get your Matrix, you pair your smartphone, you log in and add apps.
Empowered with 15 sensors capable of processing audio, detecting human emotions, and responding to environmental stimuli, the Matrix is breaking new ground on the convergence of the physical and online worlds.
As an engineer, this product really pushed me to my limits. We had to take into consideration heat, power, tolerance, package size, component sizes, and getting everything to work simultaneously and flawlessly. It is the perfect marriage of form and function.
One unifying platform powered by global creators.
What we wanted to do was create a platform that allowed one powerful little device with 15 sensors, which gives 32,000 possible sensor combinations, and allow developers around the globe to create hundreds of thousands of applications.
For users, it's the simplicity of one device able to do hundreds of things at the same time. For developers, it's the ability to create and share inventions like never before.
As a developer, it's interesting to leverage the 15 sensors. Basically, For existing IoT products, I don't have the capabilities to build apps that leverage all these sensors very easily. So having all these sensors together in one place from the beginning with an app ecosystem makes the product really easy to use. It's really easy to get started. A few lines of typing and you've already have an app. It's all JavaScript. Once you leverage our libraries, like computer vision, like the sensor libraries, you can then push the data in real time to our dashboards, which are completely configurable.
It's entirely an open platform. We're not walling you in. Anything you can imagine, you can do with our device.
Your matrix in your home can become the monitoring device. It can become the computer vision device that recognizes you when you get home.
Welcome back. Would you like me to set the air to your preferred temperature and play your favorite playlist?
Yes.
Knows it's you, pushes a message to your stereo and plays your favorite movie.
So computer vision through the camera on the matrix allows the matrix to understand the world around it. Just by any app you download, it changes the functionality completely of the matrix. You can put it in a package facility. It will identify objects in an assembly line. It's basically doing the job of what a human could do, but it's doing billions of calculations a second, and it's a computer.
The design had to be iconic and meaningful.
We went through so many iterations, but once we had, as a group, finalized the last design, seeing that as a high-resolution, high-quality print, it's a really striking object. Even sitting on a table, mounted against a wall, it has a lot of presence.
One beautiful device, endless possibilities.
Dear Kickstarter dreamers, it has been a crazy, amazing journey to bring the Matrix to you. We can't wait for you to have it in your hands so you can start creating. Back us today.
Welcome to the Internet of Things for everyone. Thanks for your support.
You are over speed.